Hey guys.
Hey, what's up, James?
How you doing, Efren? I got a job for you.
Amazing news, the metallic subway tile just came in. James is rushing them straight over to Karen and Gary's to show Mike's tile guy our plan for the backsplash, because we don't have even a day to spare.
Like that.
Okay,
Put it in the middle.
No, not in the middle. I want to keep them over to the edges. Because the other ones are going to be all together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mike's tile guy is the best, but installation is gonna be really labor intensive, and finishing on time, we will be cutting it very close.
So how many days do you think it's gonna take to do this?
Maybe 1 week.
A week.
Hi.
Hey, come on in.
Oh, wow. Wedding time.
It is, it's crunch time.
yeah.
Did you guys make these?
I did. This is gonna be on top of the backdrop for the photo booth.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's gorgeous.
I'm really glad that I have all of these craft projects to help distract me from all of the chaos going on in the house.
Yeah, with only a week left, it's gonna come right down to the wire.
7 days.
Week away.
Oh,
Yeah,
I know.
I know,
Lot to
okay.
do. Lot to do.
Don't freak out. We'll take care of it.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
You ready? This is a work in progress, but they're moving
Okay.
quickly. I know Mike and his guys are working overtime here, so it's gonna be fun. Wow.
Oh
All
my
right.
gosh.
Hey.
Yes.
You got a lot of work to do.
It's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
But have you seen this?
It looks incredible.
These
It's
cuts.
beautiful.
I love it.
Art.
Love the way it kind of melts into the metallic.
It's definitely custom. One of a kind.
Yes.
Yeah. I can't wait to see it all done.
I know. I know.
Me too.
know. I want to check out the fireplace bar area. Take a little sneak peek of that backsplash.
Yes.
So awesome.
So, how are you guys feeling?
Nervous.
Yeah.
Really nervous. I mean, it's a week away and there's all this.
There's
I mean,
a lot going on right now.
yeah.
Don't worry, you're in good hands. It's all gonna come together.
We trust
there's-
Mike's gonna get it done.
Well, you got 6 days because you have to leave James and I a full day to dial this place in. You hear that? Are you hiding?
A day?
Well, actually 5 because the wedding's in 7, so we need the 6 days.
I have seen you guys in action. You guys can do this easily in a couple hours.
You have 5 days.
5 days?
You have a wedding riding on this. Like, you don't have a choice.
If you don't finish,
Right.
we don't get married, Mike. That's the pressure.
Oh, that's too much pressure for me.
I know, right?
I'm out.
Pressure. We did it. It was a mad dash, but we finished it with a few days to spare.
I love this bar.
Me too. Love this like industrial vibe it has going. It's very manly.
Yeah.
Speaking of manly, I met somebody.
What?
Yeah.
No, you did not.
I know you've been wanting it to happen.
Okay, wait a minute.
I know.
This better have happened like yesterday because you would have told me already. How long ago?
Recent.
Okay. And tell me. What's his name?
You're gonna like it because it starts with a J.
James?
No, Josh.
Well, it's a J name.
He's in real estate. You'll love him.
Cute?
Very cute.
So when do I meet him?
Soon, I'm hiding him from now.
Well, I can come over to your house and meet him.
All right, guys, we were on a time crunch, and this was very stressful for everyone involved. Mike and his guys pulled it off. We gave you 2 days to spare before the wedding.
Yikes.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anxious, but excited.
Well, James and I put it all together. I think you're gonna absolutely love it, so go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
This is
Look
awesome.
at this. It's
Right?
beautiful.
This is awesome. Can't believe this is the same room.
It feels so
Yeah.
light and bright.
Yeah.
What a difference,
Incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Big difference.
Oh, yeah. Look at this bar.
huh? Right?
Is there,
You
can
have a
I pour,
cake. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm asking if I can pour a beer in
It's
my
your
house.
home.
Right in
Can I
there.
pour a beer in my house?
Yep.
Yeah, it's so pretty. It's very Studio 54.
You want to try a beer?
Sure. Okay, and I really like the black.
Right?
Yeah.
It looks super cool. I think like it just makes all the glassware pop. I like how you're just making yourself at home. You deserve it.
We're sort of ignoring you.
Yeah, no, relax.
finally.
You guys have 2 days to wedding. You should be chilling, enjoying yourself, enjoying your bar. Like, I'll be out of here soon, and you guys can just take over.
This is awesome.
So I love how the bar plays off the fireplace.
Love the black on the fireplace. So cool.
I'm thrilled at the way that the fireplace came out. You know, it was brick and oak, and it was dated, it was 90s. Now we've got this modern, beautiful, black, sleek fireplace with the TV that kind of just disappears because of the black on black. I love it. I couldn't be happier.
Are those my prints behind you?
Surprise.
You got them framed?
Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So your sweet husband-to-be called me and he wanted to surprise you.
You're
and
kidding.
he said you're an excellent photographer and he sent James and I some of the prints, so we had them
Oh,
framed for
that's
you.
so sweet. Aw.
No, I love it.
I think they look perfect in
They
the
look
space.
so nice there. To be able to see my pictures on the wall in our new family room is amazing.
And I love how we did the floating shelves, the lighter color. I think it's nice to add some warmth in the space.
Oh, yes.
And I know, Karen, that's more your style. You wanted light and bright.
Yes.
So welcome to your light and bright kitchen.
Oh,
Oh, wow, man.
oh my gosh.
What a difference. What a difference.
I love it. It's
God.
the perfect melding of our two styles.
That is the best thing I can ever hear. Because when I first met you guys and you told me your styles, modern, industrial,
Yeah.
light, bright, and airy, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
But I think we did a great job, especially the floors. This is really the first time you guys are seeing these because they've been
Yes.
covered.
Yes.
And I love how they have that really cool, like, cement vibe.
Came out beautifully.
There's no way in the world we could have done anything close to this without the help of Christina. To be able to take the two different styles and combine them was huge.
Yes.
Because if not, I'm not sure there'd be a wedding.
I absolutely love those bifold windows. Look at that.
Oh, so pretty out there. This is our morning coffee spot now.
Afternoon beer.
Yeah, okay.
Both.
Evening beer.
That backsplash is amazing.
Love how it looks like the white is just dripping into the metallic subways.
It's a work of art. I think it's the perfect blend of our two styles. I like how the tile came together in the backsplash. I love how they incorporated my white tile, his dark subway, and it was just this beautiful mixture that came together and worked.
It's so unique.
Yeah.
Oh,
And this range.
I can't wait to use it.
This is my kitchen. This is awesome. It's been months since I've had a kitchen. I've been looking at recipes at night, you know, staying up late, dreaming about things I'm gonna be cooking, and I'll be able to whip up some great meals in there.
I just like how it looks.
So all your appliances, because I know you guys love appliances, are hidden back there, out of view. You don't have to have toasters and blenders and everything out.
Love it.
And I absolutely love the island. I love that we did the waterfall edge. It adds that modern flair as well.
Yes. It really makes the kitchen seem so much larger.
No, it's incredible to be able to take complete opposite styles and kind of put them together is, it's amazing.
Just like what's gonna happen when we get married.
I was about to say, so tell me about the wedding. What's the theme? What's the vibe?
Well, it's been hard to think about really with all of the renovations going on, but now we're gonna, you know, these last couple of days enjoy it and try and focus on us.
We haven't even really planned what we're going to say or how the whole ceremony because we've been so wrapped up in all this. So
Well, sometimes it's best when you just say it from the heart.
yeah, it's easy.
It'll be wonderful.
Yeah.
We have waited a long time to be able to create a home that's really ours. We came from a home that Gary lived in, and it was all his style. So when we bought this home, we really wanted to transform it into something that was uniquely ours. And that's exactly what Christina did. Now that the house is all complete, we can really focus on the wedding and enjoying ourselves.
Looking forward to a great day with friends and family.
Yeah, for sure. I think the anxiousness is gone now.
Pleasure
Thank
working
you.
with
Thank
you.
you.
I'm glad we got it done in time.
You guys have been amazing. Thank you so
you.
much.
It's beautiful. Thank
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Have the
you.
best day.
Thank
We
you.
will.
I'm so happy for Gary and Karen. With the remodel done, they can turn their attention to getting married in their beautiful home.